Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a pre-installed game. First, navigate to your device's main menu or applications list. Many devices have a dedicated folder labeled Games or Entertainment. If you don't see it right away, try using the search function, which is usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. This will help you quickly pinpoint the game you're looking for. Once you've found the game's icon, simply tap or click on it to launch. The game will then begin to load, which might take a few seconds or even up to a minute, depending on its size. Pay attention to any introductory screens or quick tutorials that pop up. They often provide helpful tips for new players. Now, let's get into the gameplay. Most pre-installed games have intuitive controls. You'll typically use a virtual joystick or directional pad on the left side of the screen for movement. On the right, you'll find action buttons for various functions like jumping, attacking, or interacting with objects. Take a moment to experiment with these controls to get a feel for them. When you're ready to take a break, look for a pause or menu button, often found in a corner of the screen. From there, you can usually find an option to save game, which is crucial for keeping your progress. Once saved, select Exit or Quit to safely close the game. This ensures your hard-earned progress is secure for your next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.